Hello friends, I'm so happy to have you back to my channel. If you're watching for the first time, my name is Kalisti Sonyochi and I make videos on tech and how to make money on the internet. Guys, in this particular video, I want to show you how to do the bubble airdrop tasks and how to earn the bubble points and social points so that you will be able to qualify for this bubble airdrop that will be coming up shortly. So watch this video till the end and follow all my instructions in order to qualify for this bubble airdrop. But then if you have not subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscribe button to subscribe and click on the bell icon to enable notifications so that when I upload a new video, you will be notified immediately. So let us continue, guys. So the first thing to do is to visit the bubble airdrop website, and I am going to drop the link to this platform on the description section of this video. So click on the link and you'll be brought to this particular interface. So the next thing we are going to do here is to connect our Twitter account with this platform. So in order to achieve this, we are going to click on connect with X. This is a button you can see here. Alright. Okay. So we are being redirected to the Twitter platform, but then this is a verification to ensure that you are a human being. Alright guys, so we are going to sign in by clicking on I am not a robot. So again, I'm going to click on connect with X. So this is redirecting me to the Twitter app. So guys, you are going to click on authorize app. So it has redirected me back to the bubble platform. So now we are required to input our email address, which I am going to do now. So guys, after typing in your email address, you're going to click on this button that says I consent to receive updates. You're going to tick this box here. So guys, I'm going to tick this box here and then you're going to click on save. Okay guys, you are being prompted to authorize an imaginary one's application to access your information. So you are going to click on authorize when you are brought to this screen. So we wait for it to bring us to our dashboard. Okay guys, now we've been brought to our dashboard and now the airdrop tasks commences. So what you're going to do next is to scroll down and complete some social tasks or activities here. So if you come down, you will see where you are required to perform some tasks on Twitter. Alright, so we are going to start by first of all following imaginary ones on Twitter by clicking on go, and then you'll be redirected to the Twitter app and you're going to click on follow. Okay, so we get back to the platform and we're going to click on claim. But then you must ensure that you have completed any task before you click on claim. Now another task is up here where I am required to follow at Get Bubble Coin on Twitter. So I'll click on go. Okay, and I'm being redirected to Twitter again. And I will follow Bubble here. and then I go back to the platform, and another task after clicking on claim, another task will come up. So you're going to continually do all these social tasks. Alright, when you finish them, if you scroll down, you see many of them here. So you're going to complete all these tasks. Alright, so after completing these tasks, then we go to another section of this platform to complete another task, which involves downloading a particular type of game and playing the game continually to earn bubble points. So guys, you have to complete all these social tasks. Alright, after completing the social tasks, then we are going to go to the next. So guys, as you can see here, this particular task requires you to download the Bubble Rangers mobile game. Alright, now once you download this game, you are going to connect this your Bubble account with the game, so that while you are playing the game, you'll be earning some Bubble points which will reflect on this your account here. So you are going to proceed with downloading the game by clicking on go. Alright, now we are being redirected to the Bubble Rangers site. So here you're going to click on enter, okay, and then if you are using iOS, you're going to download from App Store. If you are using Android, you're going to download from Google Play Store. So guys, after downloading the Bubble Rangers game, the next thing you are expected to do is to open the game and then link it up with your Bubble account, so that while you are playing the game, your points that you earn from the game will be updated on your Bubble account. So to link up this game with your Bubble account, what you are going to do is to click on this settings button by the top right hand side. Alright, and then you can see where it says link imaginary one's account. You are expected to follow the instructions when you click on link. Alright, then whatever requirements they need, you have to fill it in here to connect this game with your Bubble account. Now I have already linked my account with this game. That's why you are seeing this unlink button. So I will not go ahead to unlink my account because I have linked it already. So once you click on this first button that says link, then follow the subsequent instructions to link up this game with your Bubble account, so that the points you are earning from this game will be updated on your Bubble account, which will in turn be converted to some Bubble tokens when it is launched. So guys, that's it. Alright, now if you navigate through these games, there are a lot of actions you can take here. You can play this game, alright, by clicking on play. Okay, now for those of you that are already used to tempo run game, this is exactly the same thing. So you just be sliding, and then when you see obstacles, you have to jump. So the most important thing to so guys, the most important thing to get are these bubble coins that you can see. So when you fail for any reason, you can easily watch ad to continue from where you stopped. All right, so we hit some obstacle, and now we are going to watch some ad so that we can continue from exact. So guys, you can see, in order to earn more points, there's an additional task you are going to perform. So you're going to click on this calendar, this button that says calendar. Click on calendar, right, and then you have to do this task here, where you are expected to do a particular tweet within a particular time frame. So you're going to click on this button that says go to tweet. Alright, you will have a multiplier bonus once you do this task. Now you're going to click on go to tweet again, alright, and then you'll be redirected to Twitter, and you're going to do exactly what you're expected to do. You're going to like this tweet, you're going to quote this tweet, you could possibly mention Bubble here, alright. Okay, you're going to quote this tweet, you're going to as well retweet it, alright, and then you're going to drop a comment you could just say LFG bubble. Alright, so you're going to click on reply. Alright, so you get back to that platform and then click on collect reward. You can see we have earned additional 3,000 points. Alright, but that's not all. Okay, now you're going to proceed. Scroll down and click on each of these dates that has dot on them. So you're going to perform each task on that date, and then you're going to earn additional points. But before I continue, I'll go back to the previous month, which is the month of March, to check if there are some actions I have to take here. So you can see all these highlighted dates. You have to click on each and every one of them, one after the other, and complete the tasks there to earn additional points. So for example, I'm going to click on this 6, right, and then you can see what I'm asked to do here. Alright, now I'm going to click on go to see what we're expected to do here. Like, quote, retweet, and comment to earn 750 social points. So I'm going to do this. Right, it will direct me to Twitter again. So I'll simply like this tweet. I'm going to quote this tweet again. Remember, the more you mention bubble, the more points you earn from your mentions. Wherever you mention bubble on Twitter, provided your account is associated with a particular bubble account, once you mention bubble anywhere, you earn additional points. That is why I always prefer to mention bubble. Alright, so you are going to repost. Alright, now you are going to as well retweet. Alright, and then you are going to as well drop a comment. You could actually quote bubble. Okay, you can see what I said here. Okay, so you reply. Okay, then I'll go back to the platform and I'm going to click on collect reward to collect these 750 social points. So after that, I'll click on go back to dashboard, and this particular thing I did, I'll do it for each one of these dates that has a dot on them. Now you can see that I've done for that of 6. So the next one I'm going to do is to click on this 12. So you do this for all these highlighted dates, and after that you scroll back to the month of April and do the ones that are highlighted. Then every 24 hours you come back to that calendar and do all the tasks, and then you're going to earn additional social points. Remember to always mention bubble in any of your tweets, alright, to earn additional points. So this is it, guys. You have to keep doing this every 24 hours to earn additional points. Alright.